Hey there folks, what's happening? Coming at you with a product review on this, I guess this multi-purpose caulk tool. And for removal, as well as applying a new coat of caulk. So it's stainless steel. This is one of the removal parts, the front here, for pulling it out of the corners. And you also have this little hook, which is slim, for really getting in there and cutting it out. And then you have the cleaning tool, right, on this side as well, which is stainless steel. And when you go to put the new caulk in, you have the tip, which folds out, and you have different tips, different rubber tips that you can put on this. This one is kind of a rounded flat. And then you have all these different types of tips, corners, right, for applying the new caulk. So when I bought this house, the shower has, I don't know who did the caulk on this, but it's terrible. It's horrendous, and it's bothered me forever. So I'm going to go ahead and redo this caulk, and we're going to see how well this tool works. Right now, it's using that hook to cut the seam, which is doing a very good job of that. Then we'll use the corner tool to peel the caulk out, which that is working extremely well. Let's see. It's making quick work of this, I'll tell you that. You want to help with the removal of this caulk? I can't tell you how long this has bothered me. So I'm really, really happy that this is getting done. Doing a fantastic job of pulling up that caulk. I don't know who did this before, times better when it's done. Just about done here. Very handy tool to have. I don't know if you could use this for pulling out grout. You might be able to. That hook is definitely strong enough to do that. But if you wanted to replace your grout for your tile, I think you can use this tool for that as well. All right, that is looking pretty good. We'll just clean this up here real quick. Let me get this off. This was really a horrible idea. All right. Well, that stuff is definitely stubborn. All right. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Looking pretty good. Now, what I'm going to use is this. It's almost like a tape that acts also as a caulk barrier. So much cleaner look. Actually, you know, I'm going to polish this over here. So, bottom line is the tool itself works fantastic. I'm going to use this when I apply the caulk. I'm going to use this and the corner piece to make sure I get a nice seal. But I think it's already proven to work extremely well, and definitely worth it.